In this video, we'll be considering processes. This process could be the manufacturing of gears, paper, or even manufacturing food. The common theme between all of these processes is how they'll be changing with the changes in modern industry. Businesses around the world are responsible for these processes that make our daily lives easy. However, every business is acutely aware that in order to provide these services, they must consider cost. One of the largest costs businesses need to consider is the stopping of these processes. This could either be due to scheduled maintenance or unexpected machine failure. Luckily, however, new solutions to this problem have started to rise with the push of Industry 4.0. With the advent of cheaper and smarter computers, we are now able to do things once thought impossible. Access to powerful computers allow for processing to predict future trends in machine operations. Partnered with predictive maintenance, businesses can now produce digital twins in order to see how their systems behave in a digital environment. These digital replicas of physical systems and processes allow for the analysis and improvement of results through the alteration of processes, conditions, before implementing them in the physical world. The advent of these new techniques allow for businesses to save both time and money. The implementation of these Industry 4.0 features may seem complicated and daunting. However, by making use of the comprehensive predictive maintenance toolbox provided within MATLAB and the digital twin capabilities of Simulink, you will easily be able to find yourself at the forefront of Industry 4.0.